Hi, I'm Carly from Graco, and I'm going to show you how to assemble, collapse, and clean your premier Modes Avant carry cot. To assemble your carry cot, rotate the mounts and lock them into place. Use the strap located on the wire and pull it out towards the back of the carry cot until it clicks into place. Press the buttons on the side of the canopy to rotate it into place. Place the lining inside the carry cot and wrap around the edges to secure. Next, attach the canopy. Insert the mattress pad with the seam facing down. Finally, place the boot on top of the carry cot and secure using the snaps on either side. Your carry cot is now assembled. For easy storage and transportation, you can also collapse your carry cot. To collapse, remove the boot and the mattress pad, lining, and canopy. Rotate the canopy back using the buttons on either side. Using the straps, pull the wire towards the middle. Your carry cot is now collapsed and ready for storage. To clean your carry cot, first remove the mattress pad cover. You can machine wash your mattress pad cover and boot on a gentle cycle and air dry. To clean the rest of your carry cot, you can spot clean using warm water and mild soap. If you have any additional questions, please visit gracobaby.com or any of our social media pages, and we'd be happy to answer them.